These are fairly large monkeys, very active animals, and there are 3 different locations where these animals have established small populations. In fact, some of the areas actually promote that they have monkeys in the area and want people to come see them. And this is a really interesting thing because Florida has so many non-indigenous animals. We know about the Burmese pythons. There are also now chameleons, lots of fish, and there are rhesus monkeys. There are also rhesus monkeys in South Carolina. There's actually an island called Morgan Island where they have maybe thousands of these, according to reports, that are kept there, caught numerous of them annually, and they use them in medical testing. In fact, recently, another facility in South Carolina had an escape. But are there also feral apes? Stories of chimpanzee and gorilla-like creatures have come from Florida for more than 50 years. In fact, some of the, quote, skunk ape reports are more ape-like than Bigfoot-like, although there are plenty of Bigfoot creature reports there as well. Very interestingly, there was a place called the Chimp Farm that existed sort of back in the day before a lot of the laws and things involving exotic wildlife were in existence. And the rhesus monkeys in one of the Florida populations actually came from an escape from this facility. And they not only had rhesus monkeys, but they had chimpanzees as well. I mean, the place is called the Chimp Farm. Who's to say some of these chimpanzees did not escape? And something I found even more interesting is they actually had lowland gorillas. And very few places outside of large zoos, even when animal laws were a lot more lax, had gorillas. They actually had lowland gorillas in this population. And I find that fascinating because we have known populations of monkeys in Florida and in Texas. Is it possible these highly intelligent apes, some of them, could have ventured into the Everglades and they could be responsible for some of these strange reports that are a lot more ape-like than some of the Bigfoot reports?